Yeah, okay, hello guys. This is a quick video analysis on gold and also on Ethereum USD, okay? So let's do a quick one here. Right now, using the harmonic pattern indicator on the lower time frame, we're able to get a crab pattern, okay? We're able to get a crab pattern. So price is giving us, this indicator is giving us a crab pattern. Now, for you, what you have to do now is to take the measurement to know if it is a valid crab pattern. Okay, so you can see that price have tested 1.618 and then and the B point is within 0.382 and 0.618. So it is a valid crab pattern, right? Yeah, so that is first thing you have to. Second thing now is to look at key level, liquidity, and market structure shift. That's the next thing now. Okay. Yeah, so this is the crab pattern. Then on the higher time frame, we'll start to look at for key level. If that place is a valid key level. You can see that on the weekly time frame, this is a rejection week. Then on the daily time frame, this is a level of resistance that was broken. Price is coming back to retest as a kind of a support, and it's visible on the 4 hour time frame. So in the 4 hour time, you can see that that is an order block. This is an order block that price was supposed to respect. Then price broke through it with momentum. So price is coming back here now to retest it as a kind of a support. So it is a valid key level. So the next thing now is higher time frame liquidity. So where is the liquidity for this buy? Where is it coming from? Is it coming from the weekly? Is it coming from the daily? So on the weekly time frame, there is no sign of liquidity sweep here. Then on the daily time frame, obviously you can see that on the daily time frame, the liquidity is coming from the daily, as you can see. So if you don't have access to the liquidity and range trading file, of course you know what to do. You don't expect to get everything for free. Sometimes you just have to pay for information, provided that information has potential to improve your finance, to improve your life. You just have to sacrifice. What are you sacrificing? Are you sacrificing your time? Are you sacrificing your money? You have to sacrifice something to get something. So everything is not for free, right? So if you need detailed information on all of these things, you need to actually get that particular content. It's very, very powerful. So now, and then I'm also going to the update on the platform, on the file, the days of the week and the time you should look at for this type of setup. Very powerful. So now that is that on gold. Now on the lower time frame, we'll start to look at for structure shift, right? So right here, I'm even giving out enough information for free. Yeah, so right here, we can see that I have a break of structure and the price have taken out this swing high. Okay, so we have market structure shift. So we're waiting for that supply to demand flow, waiting for price to come back again to this level for a continual buy to the upside. Now let's do a quick one on Ethereum USD, okay? So on Ethereum USD, the same thing has happened here. So let me just hide everything good. So now this indicator has also given us a pattern here, which is a butterfly pattern. So all you have to now do is to take the measurement to know if it is a valid. In fact, what I'm going to do now, what I'm going to do for this range and liquidity trading concept, I'm going to upload the videos to the HSM e-learning website. So if you have access to the HSM e-learning website, you will also be able to have access to the strategy and to the training. So instead of paying it differently, you can just make your payment for the HSM Academy, and then you have access to all these strategies. Of course, you have access to the Harmonic strategy, which we are using here. You have access to this indicator. You have access to the Harmonic strategy. You have access to the reversal candlestick confirmation strategy, and then you have access to this range and liquidity strategy. So you have access to everything, and then you have access to the community. So instead of paying it differently, you just have to pay, and then you'll be able to learn everything. You'll be able to learn everything. So that is just it. So what you have to now do is to take the measurement to know if this is a valid butterfly pattern. So we're looking at 1.272 and 1.414. So 1.272 tested here is 0.7. This is a perfect example of a butterfly pattern. So I've gotten that out of the way. So the next thing now is to look at for key level and also for a higher time frame liquidity. Now for key level, this is an order block, so it is valid to have this order block here, and then on the daily time frame is also a huge week. It's an order block. Then on the weekly time frame it's a fair value gap. It's a fair value gap. So have a gap between this candle and this other candle. So I'm priced at 50% of this gap that is between these two candles. So it's a valid key level, okay? So now the next thing you have to now look out for is liquidity. Where is the liquidity coming from? Now on the daily time frame, the let me just switch this off a little bit. Yeah. So we can as well say that liquidity is coming from the weekly, right? We have this range right here now. Okay. So I'm even giving as I'm only giving information here for even for free, like everything now for free. So it's all about giving out information. But then, if you really need in-depth knowledge, you have to pay for it. At least this one you are getting value. It's not the one that they will promise you heaven and earth and they will not deliver. At least this one you are getting value. So you can pay. It's a way of supporting me as well. It's a way of supporting me also. So if you're getting value from what you're learning here, you can actually pay to learn more. Okay, so you don't expect to get everything for free. So we can say that this is liquidity is coming from the weekly. You can see that price have taken out the previous weekly low, right? But then I really like this daily liquidity sweep for this entry. I really love the daily liquidity sweeps for this entry. Okay, so very very sharp and very very sharp. So now we have liquidity coming from the weekly and also coming from the daily, right? So for the range, you can trade that range. Then for harmonic, you know that this is your target and this is your ultimate target. So now the next thing now is to look at for structure shifts on the lower time frame, just as we saw on gold. So if you go down to 15 minutes time frame, we can see that this is a sweep of liquidity. This is a sweep of liquidity and this is a market structure shift. So we're waiting for price to come back to any of this level for us to buy to the upside. So this is a quick video on Ethereum and also on gold. Like I said, if you need to, the link to join the HSM Academy will be posted below this video, so you can join to learn more. If you are getting value from this type of videos, then you should be able to pay to learn more. That is just don't expect to get everything for free or for don't play smart on your don't play smart on something that could help you. Is the fee is not even compared to what other mentors and other trainers charge out there. Most of them charge as high as $500, $1,000, $150. This is even less than $100, and you should be able to afford that if you really need to improve your trading. And everything you're learning here works. It works and it works amazing. I don't need to show you guys more proof because the proof is all over this YouTube page. If you check all my previous pages, you will see some of the NT5 execution live traders are taking some of the reviews I've done also. So if you're getting value from this type of content, if you really want to learn more, you should be able to make sacrifices to learn more. So the link to join the HSM Academy will be below this video, and the ranged liquidity concept will be an add-on to the members in the community. So we also have a WhatsApp community also where we, for easy and for faster communication. So because the website is just for you to learn, it's an academy website for you to learn. Then the WhatsApp is for us to, interact, share ideas, share setups, and all of that. So this will be all for now, guys. And then I wish you guys. So if this finally plays out, I might do another video to update regards to this setup. So this will be all for now, guys. And then bye for now.